Hello everybody, my name is Andre. I'm going to review my Rubik's Cube. Like and subscribe to get one to roll. And then let's start with my review. You look at this Rubik's Cube. Isn't it nice? My mother helped me do the blue part. Let me find that. It's over here. Okay? So you see, it's a bit hard to play for me, but my mother learned how to do it. Okay? So, so let's start playing. Oh, I have to ask my mother first. Okay? Okay. How do I do this? How do I do this? How do I do this? Come on. Get to Let me just quickly clap. No, I couldn't do that. Isn't it nice out here in the night taking videos? Okay, bye bye. So long and subscribe to my video on YouTube. Then I will post it on Facebook. Bye bye. Oh, I forgot. Here's my house. Okay, bye bye. Oh yeah, forgot. Subscribe 9 times to get 1 euro. Okay? Or either subscribe 5 times to get any number of churros you want. Okay? Bye bye. Or juice. Bye bye.